What's up, everybody? This is Jordan Copen with Montana Drone Company, and today we're going to talk to you about the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo Kit and the ND filters that come with it. When I talk about filters, I'm not talking about coffee filters, but it's the same concept. When you add coffee grounds and water to the mixture, put it through the filter, your outcome is always going to be a little bit different. Let's get started. This drone here has a 2.8 fixed aperture, meaning it's going to let in 2.8 stops of light through that lens, which is pretty decent. Couple ground rules when it comes to this drone. To double your shutter speed versus your frame rate. So if I'm shooting at 24 frames per second, I'm gonna wanna double that to 1/50th shutter speed. The point of these little guys is to let less light in so you can lower your shutter speed and have a little more of a blurry or cinematic effect. So the first ND filter we're gonna talk about is the 16. And the 16 is currently on my drone because I use it all the time during the daylight. Now if it's cloudy out, probably don't need it and you can go without a filter. But if it's super sunny and you're letting a lot of light in, you can lower your shutter speed just a little bit and your ISO, making your picture a little more clear and have a little more of a cinematic effect to all your videos. Now the 64 ND filter, I primarily use at night, because during the golden hour you can get a lot of cool light streaks and light effects when you cancel more light and you can open that shutter just a little bit more and get more of a blurry effect. So the 256 ND filter I use primarily for photography, and that's when I want to really open up my shutter on a bright sunny day for a waterfall or a rapid or the ocean. You can get a really cool blurry effect on a lot of my pictures. Alright, that does it for me for this video. Thanks for tuning in. Again, my name is Jordan Copen. I work for Montana Drone Company out of Missoula, Montana. Hit us up with any of your aerial photography or videography needs, or if you have any questions, let us know.